Today we're making us some smash burgers, but not just any old smash burgers, no sir. We're gonna do some street taco smash burgers. That's right, street taco smash burgers. I don't have this on the food truck yet. Maybe it'll be a special, maybe we'll run a special, who knows what we'll do with it. But either way, we love them here at the house. I'm gonna show you just how easy they are to make. And just like tacos, I mean, it's, so many variations, so many ways you can make it. I'm gonna show you how we make ours, and you let me know how you customize yours. But I say we get on to cooking, so go on and fire up that Blackstone and get that thing heating up. Because we do have a little bit of prep to do, not a whole lot. I've got some of it done. I'll go ahead and tell you, it's hot out here. It really is. So I went ahead and did a lot of the prep inside, like shredded the lettuce, the tomatoes, the onions, stuff like that. We're gonna make up the hamburger balls and get that ready. So let's do that now. Now, when doing smash burgers, you want to use a good 80-20 blend. We're doing street taco smash burgers, so we don't want quite as big as a ball as we normally would do for smash burgers. Maybe, I don't know, maybe about a 2-ounce ball, somewhere around in here like this. You don't want to pack them too tight, but that's about the size we're going to look for right here, because we're going to smash them out and want to fill up that whole tortilla. So yeah, make up a bunch of these balls about this size here. And the last one. Now, some might be a little bit bigger than others, but it's going to be okay. We have 8 of them. So that means we're going to make 8 street tacos. Y'all, being out there to do all this other prep, hamburger balls are made up. Let's go check on that griddle and see if it's ready to start cooking. Come on. Well, I'm seeing that white smoking. You know what that means. It's time to put some groceries on the griddle. Let's put our little hamburger balls over here on the griddle. We have 8 of them, so you want to kind of spread them out a little bit, best you can. You don't want to crowd them too much. Let's see, we'll put you there. We'll put you there. We'll put you there. How's that? Gonna be some good eating here in a minute. Now, we'll put our tortillas on. I know a lot of people will go ahead and put the meat on the tortilla. I like doing it this way. So we'll just lay a tortilla over each one, like so. Gotta love these Mission tortillas. And now, you grab up the handy dandy presser right here and just start pressing. Good news is, doing it this way with that tortilla, it ain't gonna stick. Look at that. Oh, that's about perfect too. I mean, you got a little ring outside of it. Yes, sir. That's what we want. That's what you want. That means your whole taco is gonna be full of meat. Get this last one smashed now. There you go. They're all smashed. So now at this point, we're just gonna let them cook on that side for just a few minutes. And yep, they're cooking. Look at that. Like I said, these tortillas got meat coming out of them. They're gonna be full. That's what you want with a smash burger taco. You wanna make sure that burger is covering everything, and it sure is. So now that these have cooked pretty much all the way through, let's go ahead and flip them. Look at that. Yes, sir. That's when you know they're gonna be good right there. What's gonna happen now is we're gonna toast that tortilla up just a little bit on that side. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn all my burners down to low while I'm doing this. Now that we have all them done, let's just kind of bring them together a little bit so they can be easier to work with. Now we need cheese. Gotta have cheese. And I have Colby Jack right here. That's what I'm gonna use, some Colby Jack. I thought about using some pepper jack, but some people in the house are kind of sissies. They don't like the pepper jack. But I like Colby Jack, so I really can't complain about it. So we'll get some Colby Jack on here. Got one more to go. There we are. Now what I'm going to do to melt the cheese down, we'll grab up some water right here and just spray some in here, let it steam a little bit, and let that steam melt that cheese on down. Let's open it up and see what we got. Oh yeah, perfect. Now, you might be saying you hadn't seasoned yet. Going to right now. Now use my Backroads blend. Use whatever kind of seasoning you want. This is what we use on the food truck. It's some really, really good stuff. And I believe it's going to be amazing on these taco smash burgers right here. Ooh, a little much on that one. That's okay. We'll spread it out. We'll share the love with it. There we go. Now, let's slide everything over. Slide it all over. Because these are pretty much ready. I'm going to kill the heat. Tell you what, let's get you off the hot parts here. There we go. Good enough. Grab up our cutting board and our little taco racks. I love these little taco racks right here. These are perfect for doing this on. Look at here. Take that and you just kind of push it down like that. Look at that. Perfect little tacos. That's right. Yes, sir. That's what we want right there. And there you go. 8 of them, and we had 1 extra. But that's okay. That is perfectly fine. Let's take them over here and finish them up. Come on. Now, I told you it's going to be a quick cook. I mean, look at there. 8, 9 tacos are ready, but there you go. There they are. Now, here's the fun part. Dress them like you want. Go ahead and put your stuff out. You know, all your stuff. Go ahead and get it all out. Get it around them. Let people build them the way they want to. It's like a taco bar. I mean, how much better can that be? So let me show you how to build some of them. Got to have lettuce. Is a taco without lettuce? I guess it could be. Not a very good one. But it could still be a taco, I guess. So we'll put some lettuce on there. I'm just going to dress these 4 right here. And let everybody else dress them like they want. Let's see, some tomato. Got to have some mater. Even though it's tacos, we still call them maters, okay? Let's go with the mater here. And then some diced onion. Got to have, oh, I didn't put mater on that last one. What am I doing? What am I doing, Pop? Come on, tighten up. All right, now we need the diced onion. Here we go. And one more thing. I'm going to put on mine, but I'm going to do that after I show you these close up. Y'all check these out. Look at how delicious these smashburger tacos turned out right here. And you have these back here that aren't dressed yet, but man, I'm telling you right now, I'd probably eat them just the way they are. I'd be happy with that. I wouldn't be mad. But these, look at these right here, would you? Yes, sir. We got to finish them up so I can eat them up. They're some pretty dang good looking tacos, ain't they? But I ain't done with mine. I'm not done with mine. I need some jalapenos. We got a little spice in your life. I'm going to take this end one down here. We're going to put some jalapenos on it. A little taco sauce. Gotta have, I mean, it's tacos. You gotta have taco sauce. You know? Just a light drizzle. Don't need much. Just drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. There we go. And y'all, mine's ready. I don't know about Crazy Nana's behind the camera right now. She's about to drool and licking her lips. She's waving at y'all, but I can't see it. But either way, I'm gonna try this out. Fun. New paper towel. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm gonna show y'all something. I've had comments in the past about, you know, the tortilla being burnt. Look there, not burnt. It's perfect. It is perfect. And messy, but so good. Man, that's good. Wait a minute. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. That was so good. It took me to another place. I'm telling you, these are that good. If you're looking for a quick weeknight meal, something different, you want tacos, but you want smash burgers, you want something different, this is it. And this is one of them family meals that you can customize. Like I said, they can make how they want to make it, and everybody can be happy. But at the end of the day, you still get that amazing smash burger flavor. And the reason it's amazing, one reason, is my seasoning, which will be out soon. We're working on that. I know I keep saying that, but We hit a few little bumps here and there. We're still navigating the waters, if you will. It's coming, though. Be patient. Either way, make these, take pictures, tag me, let me see what you do. Love seeing your creations. Love seeing you tag me. Also, in the comments, let me know what you would add to your tacos. What do you like on your tacos? I would love to know. Right now, I need to take this inside, let everybody make their own. I'm going to tell them to come out here. I ain't taking all this in. They can come and get it. They can't. Either way, hey, thumbs up, thumbs down twice if you didn't like the video. And if you didn't like it, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? How do you not like this video? Either way, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, share it out, and we'll see you next time. All right, y'all. Supper's ready.